Hello Internet! In this video I'm going to show you how to make this Vocaloid belt and suspender. You can use this tutorial for Miku as well for the Kagamine twins. Have fun watching! You need a fabric in one color of the belt. For Miku, black or blue. For the Kagamine twins, yellow or orange. The fabric should not be stretchable and you should be able to iron it at 160 degrees. You can use cotton for example. The other color will be printed on with t-shirt transfers. I use the brand Every Zweckform. You can find the link for the product in the description. Of course, you can also use any other t-shirt transfers. You also need 2 snap hooks and a belt buckle. I used some parts of an old bag for this. First, we measure how long the belt should be. Put the measuring tape around your trouser waistband and measure up to the first belt loop and add a few more centimeters. To measure how long the suspender should be, hold the measuring tape to the belt loops and let it hang down until it's long enough. The belt is 3 centimeters high. Now mark an 8 centimeters wide stripe on your fabric. It should be as long as you measured before. Cut it out without adding seam allowance. Fold it in the middle and iron it. Make a 3 centimeter wide stripe out of paper. Put it in the middle and iron the edge around it. Do this for both sides. Now fold everything together and iron again. Sew the stripe together at the edge. Sew the belt buckle on one side of the belt. Sew the 2 snap hooks on both sides of the suspender. Now you need the t-shirt transfers. Open the Word document which is linked in the description. I choose blue as color for Miku. If you need another color, you can change it in Word. Now put the t-shirt transfers in your inkjet printer Select normal paper and highest quality. The t-shirt transfer should look like that now. Depending how long your belt is, you might need 2 of them. Cut the triangles with a scissors or a knife. To iron on the triangles, remove the protective layer first. This can be different depending which t-shirt transfer you use. Put the triangles on the fabric. Put a piece of baking paper on top of it. Iron at 160 degrees for 30 seconds. The triangles should be melted to the fabric now. They should be even washable at 30 degrees. Repeat the step for the whole belt. For the suspender, iron the triangles on both sides. And now you are done. I hope you had a lot of fun making this belt. See you next time!